Certainly, if you're looking to start learning the English language, here are some important points to keep in mind. Set clear goals. Define why you want to learn English. Is it for travel, work, academic purposes, or personal enrichment? Clear goals will guide your learning process. Basic vocabulary. Start with basic everyday vocabulary. Learn common words and phrases that you can use in daily conversations. Grammar basics. Familiarize yourself with basic grammar rules. Understand sentence structure, verb tenses, and common grammatical patterns. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing every day, even if it's just for a short period. This helps build your language skills over time. Use language learning apps. There are many language learning apps that can make the process interactive and enjoyable. Duolingo, Babbel, and Memories are popular choices. Immersive learning. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and try to communicate with native speakers or fellow learners. Read regularly. Read English books, articles, or blogs. This will expose you to different writing styles, expand your vocabulary, and improve your comprehension skills. Practice speaking. Speaking is a crucial aspect of language learning. Practice speaking with native speakers, language exchange partners, or even by talking to yourself. Join language classes or meetups. Consider enrolling in English language classes or attending language meetups. This provides structured learning and opportunities to interact with others. Watch English videos with subtitles. Watching videos with subtitles can help you associate spoken words with written ones. It also exposes you to different accents and pronunciations. Use flashcards. Create flashcards to memorize vocabulary, common phrases, and grammar rules. This can be an effective way to reinforce your learning. Be patient and persistent. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and stay persistent, especially during challenging moments. Set realistic expectations. Understand that language learning is a gradual process. Set achievable milestones and celebrate small victories along the way. Get feedback. Seek feedback on your language skills from teachers, language exchange partners, or online communities. Constructive feedback helps you identify areas for improvement. Stay motivated. Keep your motivation high by focusing on your goals, celebrating progress, and exploring aspects of the language and culture that interest you. Remember, everyone's language learning journey is unique. Tailor your approach to suit your preferences and learning style. Enjoy the process and have fun discovering the richness of the English language.